Hey guys, Digital David here. Today we're going to do a follow-up video showing the Petcube app in more detail. Really a big fan of these treat dispensers. Awesome remote pet products you got to have for your house, especially if you're trying to have a really cool smart house. They're an awesome item, so go ahead. You can check it out on your phone if you download the app. This is what it'll take you to. So you can see my Petcube Bites dispenser is online right now, and then the other Petcube Play is online as well. So we're going to go ahead and just jump right in. Here is what it looks like from the home screen. You can see a bunch of different alerts. It just triggers motion alerts, which is really cool. You can set that up, and then there's multiple calendar days. So if you want to go back in time, you'd be able to. You can only see 4 hours unless you purchase some awesome Plus membership pet care plan from them. So that being said, this is the app. Really cool. 4 hours of motion alerts. Here we can go back and see Doug getting off his bed, stretching. So really good little puppy right there. He's snoozing on his bed. Let's see, what happens here? Do I walk by maybe? Yeah, so I'm walking by. And in real time, we can go see right now. There it is. He is not up there. Doug is actually down here with me. So that's your real-time view, which is cool. And I show that in another video, my unboxing and review. But what I want to kind of show you, which is really cool, is just this whole feed and play. So you can find friends. If you know what your friends are that they have it, you can share your feeder and your play device with them, which is awesome. And then there's the play home, so you can find adoptable pets, public pets. So let's go ahead and just look at the Petcube with this Humane Society. See if we can connect in. Sound is disabled. Oh, and that's what's awesome too. I'll have to show you. You can choose permissions and controls for certain people, for the general public, for friends and family. They can have different access and privileges on your device. So here it is. Nothing going on right now. I don't see anybody in the Humane Society. But it's almost like Facebook and Instagram for your pets, which is really cool. So let me see. Let's see if I can go do this. So here's the sharing. So family, I've shared with one member. Friends, nobody, public. So here, if I click friends, you can click share with friends. You can give them times during the day. You can choose the weekdays, and then this is the control. So do I want to give them the treat? Because this is a treat dispenser. Do I want to give them microphone privileges? Or none of that, and they can just watch the feed. Same for families and same for public. So really an awesome, well thought out app. Really easy to use. So let's go back. Not feed, we want to go to explore. So this is just like an Instagram feed, and you can explore what's going on with people's pets. Really cute, really fun, really cool to see. And let's go to play. And then you can search by cameras, people, hashtags. We're just going to go back to the home page because I don't have anything specific to search. And let's see. Leon County Humane Society. Sound is disabled. And this is real time, seeing all the cute little cats right there walking around. Oh, they might. I swear I saw a laser. It says laser on. Oh, I see the laser. Do you see it moving over there? Well, that's so fun. The cat just went right up to it, sniffing. So I don't know these people at all, the Humane Society or anything, but I get to play with their cats. So it's really fun. You can actually just download that app without even having a Petcube too if you really love animals and want to play. So it looks like the laser is being a little wonky. Oh, there it goes. Hi, kitty cat. So I see the laser. I mean, it's hard to see right now. There it is. So anyways, you can just jump in right in and do this with other people's cats, and it's really fun. It's really cool. So again, you don't even have to purchase the product to do this, but it's really fun to have the product so you can do it with your friends and family. So that's just a little more in depth of the Petcube app. I hope it was helpful. Leave questions, comments, your thoughts in the comments below. I just love to chat with you guys, hear about your experience. I love the Petcube stuff, so go ahead and look at the links in my description below too. Check them out, see if it's the right product for you. They got a couple different options, and there's great deals on Amazon. So go ahead, check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, share, hit that sub button, and I will see you all in the next video.